हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. So the other day I hope somebody else will join, but we will start the class, okay?
अस्तु
So we have done, yes sir. I have given a homework for Karmani Prayogam, na, that other day.
yes.
So can you
I started. Yeah.
can you tell the answer? I will tell you the answers.
I did not complete actually because I was
Okay.
in the middle of doing.
Doesn't matter. You open it, we will go
Yeah.
slowly.
Yeah.
I can post the answer straight away, but we can discuss it once.
Okay, sure.
Open the homework and read it. Accordingly, we can go.
Okay.
One by one, I will tell you answer.
Okay. Oh, that is in this phone only. What's it? Oh, laptop. Unfortunately, it is in the same phone only.
Okay. Namaste, Uma. Namaste, Uma Bhagini.
Namaste.
Yeah. So I am talking about that Karmani Prayoga homework, madam. Have you attempted? Or at least open the homework. We will read out the answer. Now we can do it. Have you taken it, sir? Homework.
Ma'am, yeah, I'm just opening the.
Yeah. Open the homework.
Yeah.
Karmani
Okay.
Prayoga homework, you open it. We will discuss. Then we will proceed
Yeah.
further.
Yes.
And I will post the answer today evening.
In the network, Wi-Fi. Bega.
It must be starting Vayam Patam Patamaha. Got it, Uma?
It is in Google Drive. Okay, Sandhi answers. New assignment. Okay. See details. 26. Vayam paఠam patitavantah.
Correct. I am
Vayam
also showing
paఠam.
it on the screen. Can you see the
Ha,
screen?
yeah. It's here.
Yeah.
Vayam
Okay. Now
paఠam.
tell the answer.
Vayam paఠam
Karmani
patitavantah. So it
rules,
is.
I will
Yeah.
repeat the Karmani rules. What
Yeah.
is in the this is Vayam Patam Paditavantaha is in the
Kartari.
Kartari Prayam. Because Vayam is in the Pratama Vibhakti Uttama Purusha Bhagavachanam.
Correct.
Patam
Correct.
Karma Vapadam Paditavantaha
So
is
it
a
is
Tavatu Pratyaya Bhagavachanam.
1-to-1 format.
Paditavantaha. Okay.
So
Now,
Karmani will be 3-1-1.
will become Tritiya. Yeah, 3-1-1. Repeat now. Vayam
Yeah.
will become
Vayam it becomes Karmani will become
you should know the Asmat Sabdam.
Asmat. 1 minute, ma'am. Asmabihi Pataha. Asmabihi. Vayam will become in Asmat Sabdam Asmabihi. Asmabihi Pataha. Asmabihi Pataha.
Paditavantaha is there.
Vantaha is Bahuvachanam. So it will be
actually it is in the not in the Lakara Rupam. Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha. This is in the Kridanta Padam. So, whenever Paditavan comes, you have to use it. Ikta Pratyaya only. Paditaha only you should use.
Okay.
Paditaha, Padita, Paditam, Ikta Pratyayam. But I have not yet completed Ikta Pratyayam, but you have to learn the form now.
Okay. So it will be
there are some rules regarding Kartari Karmani Prayogam that you all know. The number one rule is if it is in the Latlakaram, equally you have to convert by using the Yak Pratyayam. Okay. So Ramaha Patati, if it is there, Ramena Patyate, you will simply change into Pat plus Ya plus Te.
Correct.
But if it is Ramaha Paditavan, if it is in the Paditavan, which is a Kridanta Rupam, you cannot put Patyate because Patyate is Latkara Rupam. But this is the Kridanta Rupam. You have to use another Kridantam to substitute it. So for Paditavan, which is always in the Kartari Prayogam, the Karmani Rupam is Paditaha for Pullingam, Padita for Strilingam, Paditam for Anapunsalingam. This is the rule. So Paditaha, Padita, Paditam, Hataha, Hata, Hatam. Like that, there is one past tense Kridanta Rupam is there, which we generally use. So Ramena Paditaha. Like that, we have to tell. Ramaha Paditavan, if it is given, we have to write Ramena Paditaha.
Okay.
Like that. Now this is Paditavantaha, plural form. Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha. So Paditavantaha, this is in the plural form. So, but here in Karmani Prayogam, you don't look at the Bahuvachanam of the Kartari Rupam. You look at only Karma Padam. Because Karma Padam becomes one. So, Asmakam, Patam, Pataha. In the place of Paditavantaha, you have to only, Pataha is a singular. So, you have to put a Paditaha. So, Asmabihi Pataha
Patitaha.
That's all. Okay, Umaji, you are following? Uma, are you able to follow?
Yes.
Yes, madam. Second one, can you try?
Sainika. Ma'am, I have not done the homework. I will try. Sainikaha desham rakshanti. Sainikaihi deshaha rakshyanti.
Madam, deshaha is singular or plural?
Deshaha is singular.
So, it always in Karmani Prayogam, deshaha becomes a Kartrupadam now. Because Sainikaha has gone into Tritiya Vibhakti. So,
deshaha rakshayanti.
Rakshayate. Yeah, you have to
Rakshayate. Sorry.
Deshaha rakshayate. Dhatu Rupam is raksh.
रक्षयते, हाँ.
So rakshayate. So sainikaihi deshaha rakshyate.
Yes.
Third one, sir, you try. Vaidyaha.
वैद्यः अस्वस्थान्
So it is
परिशीलितवान् वैद्यः अश्वस्थान् परिशीलितवान् वैद्य वैद्यः
Vaidyaha is Ramaga Sabdam.
रामः सो
So
वैद्य
Ramena.
रामेण सो वैद्येन वैद्येन
Vaidhyena.
वैद्येन अस्वस्थः
But
अस्वस्थाः अस्वस्थाः बहुवचनं न
Aswataha.
अस्वस्थाः परीक्षितवन्तः.
But here aswastaha plural only, but you have to use ikta pratyayam. I told no. This is in the form of parishilitavan is tavatu pratyayam. That is paditavan. Paditavan langalakara rupam in the it is in the past tense, but in the kartari rupam. Iska equivalent is only paditaha, padita, paditam. So here
परिशीलितः
Parishilataha, because this is plural. Aswastha.
Oh yeah, karmani, correct. It follows karmani. Okay.
Namaste,
3-1-1 rule.
madam. Amrita ji, we are looking
Namaste.
into. Namaste, madam. We are looking into Karmani Prayogam now. I think in between you could not attend some classes, but I will briefly tell you about. Are you having any idea about Karmani Rupam?
I have gone over it one time,
Yeah.
but I still
Can you
need
tell the
some.
basic rules regarding what do you understand by Kartari and then what do you understand by Karmani?
I think Kartari is like active voice, Karmani
Correct.
is passive voice.
Yes.
And when the only thing I remember is when you're going from Kartari Rupam to Karmani, then the Karta becomes Tritiya.
Yes.
And Karma becomes Prathama. Is that right?
Yes.
And I don't remember what happens to the
Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam has to change because it is not a Kartari Rupam. So Patati cannot come. So Dhatu plus Ya, Yak Pratyayam you have to join. Dhatu, Pat plus Ya plus Te. Because all the Karmani Rupams are always Atmanepadi Rupam.
Oh, okay.
All.
Okay.
So this is very important. So that way we will remember. So we are now trying to do some, actually this homework which I have given, we will discuss later. I will send the answer also. Here many things are coming in the form of Kridantam. That is, Paditavan is a Kridanta Padam. Paditaha is a Kridanta Padam. I am not sure whether you know Kridantam, whether you have learned Ikta Pratyayam, Tavatu Pratyayam, I am not sure. Anyway, next week I have planned to take, even today I can take the Ikta Pratyayam, Tavatu Pratyayam before proceeding with the Karmani, this particular homework, because I see a lot of things are in the Kridanta past tense. So if you don't know, there is no point in proceeding further. Anyway, we will go back to our the other things. So I will recall about Karmani once more. As Madam rightly told, Karmani Prayogam means
after this homework you can do Krudanta, madam.
After the homework?
You can do the Krudanta little brief introduction. We learnt it in Pravesha, but little refresh is required.
Yeah, we have to learn Krudanta. Otherwise, Kartari Karmani you are not able to know. Unless you know Tavatu and other things, you cannot do it. I will go it, but just for the sake of Amrita ji, we will finish the introduction and some few questions I will ask so that you remember the basics. Okay. So passive voice and active voice, exactly what you said is correct. In Sanskrit, a sentence has compulsorily one Kartrupadam and one Kriyapadam. Without that, there cannot be any sentence. There should be a doer and there should be an action. Ramaha patati. That's all. So here Ramaha is always in the Prathama Vibhakti because without him there is no action. So Panini Maharishi has allotted number 1 position to that particular Kartru Padam always get Prathama Vibhakti. This you know, Vibhakti and all you have studied. Second, Ramaha Kampadati. What he is studying, you are asking the question. So Ramaha does something which is very much desirable to him. He wants that to happen. So Ramaha Patam Padati, Ramaha Grantham Padati. When I say that, the Grantham or Pata, whatever you call it, it will be in the Dvitiya Vibhakti, because it is the most important to Rama. So after Rama, the most important thing in that doing the job of Patati is only Karma Padam, that is Patam Patati. So this is the three small sentence we are making. Ramaha Patam Patati. Matter over. Now this is in the active voice. I am telling you what the Rama is doing. Ramaha Patam Padati. Now you are asking me, Madam, convert it into passive voice. Like that you are asking. So as Madam rightly told, Ramaha will go into the Tritiya Vibhakti, Ramena. So now the Kriya Padam always follows the Kartru Padam. That's the rule. That's what Panini told. Kartru Padam will be always in the Prathama Vibhakti because it is a topmost. He is the doer. So the Kriya Padam will always follow Kartru Padam, or actually in Sanskrit, as per the Kriya Padam, the Kartru will change. That is the important thing. So Ramena we have put it. So he has lost the capacity to be the Kartru. He has gone into Tritiya Vibhakti. So Pataha we have changed it. Pataha becomes Prathama Vibhakti. So karmam becomes the most important thing. That is why it is known as Karmani Prayogam. So we are telling that in passive voice, how you convert Rama studied. It was studied by Rama. The study takes the most, what do you call it? The book was studied by Rama. The book takes the importance now. So like that, Pataha becomes important. So it gets the Prathama Vibhakti. But the Latlakara Rupam for Kartari is not the same for Karmani. When you come to Karmani Prayogam, the rule is Dhatu plus Ya, Yak, we call it Yak Pratyayam, Dhatu plus Ya plus Te. Because Titaha Anti is the Parasmaipati Rupam. You all know, Padati, Padataha, Padanti, Padasi, Padata, Padataha, Padata, Patami, Patava, Patama. These things are all completely Parasmaipati Rupam. But the rule, Panini rule says Atmanepati Rupam only is allowed for Karmani Prayogam. Up till this, I hope you are clear. No problem. Okay. Now coming to certain dhatus. Dhatus Rupam differs. I told you dhatu plus ya plus te. That's the only thing you can do it for the Karmani. So if I simply tell you Balaha Grantham Padati. So how will you change it? Balena Grantaha Patyate. Because it is a Latlakara Rupam, you know it. So Patu plus Ya plus Te you changed. Sevakaha Bharam Vahati. Okay? You will say immediately Sevakaha Sevakena. Bharam Bharaha. Vahati. This Vakara, the Dhatus which are starting with the Vakaram, when they are going to join with the Yak Pratyayam, they will undergo a change. This is very, very important. So Vahati will become Uhyate. Okay? All Vakara, 4 dhatus only you have got. Vahati, Vasati, Vadati, something 4 dhatus only it start in Vah dhatu. All this will become Wu.
Oh.
Vahati,
Uhyate.
Yes. It will change. The reason you may ask, what is the reason for this is, that is one grammar rule known as Samprasaranam. You can write down and keep it. Later on, you are going to thoroughly read what is Samprasaranam, why it happens, everything you will be reading. Okay, Samprasaranam means, you all know Yan Sandhi. Last week, Sandhi we have completed, no? Last month. So, Yan Sandhi you all remember. In Yan Sandhi, Purva Padasya Antima Varnam, Ikaha Asti Chete. Maheshwara Sutrani, I told you to remember. Ikaha stands for Iv. So, if the Purva Padasya Antima Varnaha Ikaha Asti Chete, Parapadasya Pratama Varnaha, Asavarna Acha Chete. Asavarna means not Samana Varnam. Okay, different Varnam, but Ach stands for all the Swara. I won, it starts, no? I won, lyric, A, wong, I, ouch. So each, A and each denotes all the Swaras. All Swaras except the Savarna Swara. Because E is there, E should not be there. That's all. Like that, when it is there, what happens, we told you, Ikaram will become Yakaram. Yava, Rala comes. That is why you call it Yan Sandhi. because Yavarala, as per Maheswara Sutrani, it is known as Yan. Okay. Hayavarat, Lan, you call it. So that Ya to In is known as Yavarala. So Yan Sandhi we call it. So whenever Ivurulu is there, it converted into Yavarala. Iska ulta. Wherever Yavarala is there, it will become Ivurulu. This is known as Samprasaranam. So Va is there, it will become Vu. That is, what is E is there means Yakaram asti, no? So Yakaram will become Ikaram, Vakaram will become Vukaram. Like that it will become Ulta. That is a concept known as Samprasarana. Don't worry why it happens, because it is a Bhasha. In those days they talked like this, so Panini has put this rule. Whenever Vakaram comes in this particular, when you join a Yakara Pratyaya, it will change into Samprasaranam. So it will become Vukaram. So Vahati will become Ushyate. So he will change into this. So I will tell you all those forms I am going to give you, but I am telling you these changes will take place. So you must thoroughly know all the rupam of each and every lakara. Okay, yeah. For example, you all know what is a lat lakara rupam. Patyate, patati, padataha, padanti. What will be the karmani rupam? Padati? Somebody can tell me? Yes, sir. Take the latlakara rupam and try to convert, please.
I'm sorry, I was on mute. Patati becomes patyate.
Padataha?
Patataha becomes patyate. Patyate.
Yete, very good. Because Atmanevati rupam.
Atmanevati.
Padanti will become?
Patanti will become patyante.
Now you can write down Vandu Dhatu and try to convert it like that. Vandu Dhatu, normal Atmanevati rupam. Umaji, Vandu Dhatu. Normal Atmanevati rupam, you tell me. Vandate. Umaji?
Sorry, ma'am. Vande.
No. Vandate. Atmanepadi latlakara rupam. Normal. Vandate, vandete, vandante.
Vandante. Vandase. Vandethe. Vandadve. Vande. Vandavahe. Vandamahe.
This is the Atmani normal rupam. Okay, yeah? In Kartari, only you will use it. Ramaha vandate. Ramau vandete. Ramaha vandante. Like that you will say. So instead of Ramaha, if I put Ramena, what will become the Vandu Dhatu?
Ramena Vandyate.
Vand is the dhatu. Va in id. Vand plus ya plus te. Vandyate. Ramau is there. What is the Tritiya Vibhakti of Ramau? What is the Tritiya Vibhakti of Ramau?
Ramabhyam.
Ramabhyam. What is the Karmani Rupam? Vande plus ye plus te.
Vandyate.
Very good. Then Ramaha, what is the plural?
Vandyante.
No, Ramaha first convert.
Ramaha. Ramahi. Vandyante.
Correct.
Vandyante.
Ante. So this you know. Now this is all completely that is originally Atmanepada Rupam Vandu Dhatu. You usually put a ya in between. So you know the original Latlakara Rupam. Simply you have to put a Yakaram in between. This you are very clear. Any doubt here till now? No. Atmanepadi clear. Now Parasmepadi Dhatu, if you want to convert into Karmani, it has to take Atmanepadi Rupam. This is the rule. So if I say Ramaha Patati, how will you change? Vandyate Rupam you have to change. Correct? Ramaha Patati. So Ramena Patyate. In the place of vandu, put pattu, yate you join. Because it has to be in the karmani prayogam, has to be in the atmanepati rupam. You don't have any choice. But here our problem is that dhatu is a parasmepati dhatu. You are trying to convert. So you have to go to atmanepati rupam and put the parasmepati dhatu plus ya plus te, you have to add it. Do you understand, Madam Umaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, I'm facing an issue with my laptop, so I've had to log in and log out a number of times. So
that is all right, but if you understand, you just tell me. Don't struggle too much. I will send all the, what you call, PPT and answer, everything I am sending. Just attempt, that will do. Okay, yeah, nothing more I want. That's all. Now, what is the chat has come? Somebody is asking something. Okay, you have written. Okay, all right. So this is a very important concept. Now coming to Lang Lakaram, Madam Amrita ji, can you simply tell Lang Lakara Rupam of Atmanepadi Dhatu? Take even Vandu Dhatu, no problem. Lang Lakara Rupam, past tense. Amrita ji, do you remember Lang Lakara Rupam Atmanepadi? Amrita is not there, but she is not unmuting. Okay. Sir, Uma, do you have ready-made Lang Lakara Rupam, or you know mentally also, you know, means you can tell? Sir, you can tell?
Avandat,
Madam is telling. Okay, madam.
Avandat, Avandetam, Avandanta, Avandathaha, Avandetham, Avandadvam, Avande, Avandavahe, Avandamahe.
This keep before you. Both of you, all, even Amrita, you keep before you. This Lang Lakara, Atmanepadi Rupam, keep before you. Now I am write down whatever I say. Ramaha apatat. This is a Parasmepati Lang Lakara Rupam. Ramaha apatat.
Ramaha apatat.
Convert Karmani.
Apatat.
Dhatu is Pat Dhatu.
Pat Dhatu. Ramaha, this is Ramaha apatat is already in the Lang Lakara Rupani. Madam.
Lang Lakara only I am telling. Apatat is Lang Lakaram. Karmani la how it will become. It should take Atmani
Okay.
with the Yakara.
Okay. So, Ramena
Apatat equal is here madam told Avandata. So plus
apatat.
No, it should take Atmanepati Rupam. Avandata is there. So apat plus yata. Yata.
Apatata.
In the place of Vand, substitute Pat. Okay. So Avandata is there. That is a Kartari Rupam. What is the Karmani Rupam of Vand Dhatu? Past tense. Avandyata. So Avandyata. In the place of Vand, substitute Pat.
Apatata.
Now, completely remember all the lakaram of Atmanepadi. Very important. Write down. And in the place, and its equivalent karmani rupam is yakaram. Avandyate. Avandyate. Like that, whatever. Sorry. Avandyata. Avandyetam. Avandyanta. Like that, you rewrite the Atmanepadi Karmani Rupam. Write it in the exam also. I didn't like that only. Then simply whatever Parasmepadi Dhatu they give, in the place of Vand, you substitute this. If they give Pat Dhatu, Ramaha apatat, if they give, Ramena matter over. Apatat has to fit into Avandyate. Yata, because Ingata is there. Avandyata. So, Pat Yata. In the place of Vand, put Pat. Yeah,
it is Dirga no, madam.
For what?
Apatata.
No, Dirga nahi, only Hrasvam.
Hrasva is it? Apatat.
Apatat, forget it now. Apatas is Kartari Rupam. Dhatu is pat. I want you to convert into Karmani Rupam. Karmani Rupam, when you want to go back to Atmanepadi Rupam of Karmani Prayogam. If you take Vandu Dhatu, what is the Atmanepadi Karmani Rupam of Vandu Dhatu? Normal is a pat, a vandata, correct? A vandata. So, vandu you have to take plus ya plus ta you have to put the Karmani Rupam of Vandu Dhatu. A vandu yata.
Yata, avandata.
Place of vandu puttu pattu no?
Apattata.
A pattu yata.
Yata. So, a is the rasva here.
Always. In all the lang lakaram, that first adi akaram is always hrasva akaram eva.
Whether it is karmani or kartri.
Not only that, all the lang lakara rupam. Parasmepadi or atmanepadi, at agamaha we call it. At will come and sit there in the presence. That is what is the rule. So, apatatam. Now, if you say Ramau apatata, what you will say apatat apatatam, correct? Langalakara parasmedi rupam apatatam. Can somebody try Uma? Ramau apatatam.
Ramau.
Rama will become Ramabhyam.
Sorry, Ramabhyam avandyetam. Or Rama
Apatyetam.
Apatyetam.
Very good.
Apatyetam.
Ramaha.
Rama will be Ramaihi apathyanta.
Patyanta.
Apatyanta.
Patyanta. Vandu yanta came. Very good. You have already mastered it. This is enough. For lat you know, for lang you know. But you should thoroughly know the rupam of Atmanepadya of lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara and vidiling. These four is compulsory for parichaya. So, now today we saw the lang latlakara rupam of Atmanepadi. Vandate, vandete, vandante, normal latlakaram. Lang lakaram, avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandetaha, avandetam, avandadhvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. This you have to write down and keep it. Then first converted it into Karmani Rupam. In the place of vandu, put a yakaram in between. Yeah, you completely put it, matter will be over. Okay. Madam, Amrita, you want to say something? Amrita ji, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you, but there was some issue with my phone, so I was moving on to my laptop.
Hear. No problem. Because suddenly I saw some audio, I thought you are not able to hear. Okay. So this is very important. Today, please practice this. All the four lakaras, normal rupam, then their karmani rupam in Atmanepadi. Karmani prayogam you want to learn, you should be thorough in all the four lakaras of Atmanepadi, because all the karmani, all the bhave prayoga, they will take only Atmanepadi rupam. So parasmedi rupam of padati padatha padanti will never hold in the karmani. Because padati padatha padanti is the titaha anti, we call it as a ting pratyayam, it comes only for parasmepadi. As for Paniniya Sutram, titaha anti, this sitahata, mi vahamaha, that mi vahemahe, this will come only for parasmepadi rupam. Atmanepadi to that other one. Okay, te yethe ante, like that. This is vande, vandate, vandete, vandante, that rupam. So all the four lakaras you first write down. Write down the karmani rupam of all the four lakaras in Atmanepadi. Take any parasmepadi dhatu. Simply substitute in the place of vandu dhatu that particular pat or whatever, kad or whatever dhatu you want to put it there. It will be very easy for you to convert. Up till this, the other day we have seen, madam. Now today I am supposed to go through, say, Karmani Prayoga, something left out. Let me see what is left out. So this is what the other day we completed. Can somebody read Kartari Prayoga? Sir, start. You start, sir.
Yeah. Kartari karmani cha. कर्तृपदं कर्मपदं क्रियापदं कर्तरिप्रयोगः प्रथमा विभक्ति द्वितीया विभक्ति.
So Kartrupadam is always in Pratama Vibhakti. In Kartra Prayoga, Karma Padam is always in Dvitiya Vibhakti. And Kriya Padam will follow the Tinga Pratyaya. Okay, yeah.
1-to-1 format.
1-to-1. Now Karmani Prayogam?
Karmani is 3-1-1. Tritiya Vibhakti, Kartrupadam.
Karma Pada Anusar. Okay. So please remember, the minute you convert into Karmani, the Kartari Padatla original Ramaha might be there, Ramo might be there, Ramaha might be there, but they are all lost the importance. What is the Karma Padam? Whether it is Patam or Bahuvachanam Pata, Pushpam, Pushpani, or Pushpe, whatever it is, Karmam, what is the Vachanam, you look at it and change it into the Rupam. This is very important. Avadeyam. Anyesham padanam parivartanam kadavi na bhavati. In a sentence, if I say Dasaradasya putra Ramaha, okay, Dasaraputra Ramaha patam Sitaya saha patati. Like that I am telling you. Dasaradasya putra Ramaha, Dasaradasya putra Ramaha. The Rama alone matters. Dasaradasya putra Sashti Vibhakti, you should never touch. This is very important. Like that, Anyesham Padana, in a sentence, if they give for you at Parichaya, they may not give much difficult sentences. But as you grow, this will continue till you continue Govida. So there they may give. So, Anyesham Padana, if there in the sentence there is some Chaturthi Vibhakti, there is a word in Panchami Vibhakti, there is some word in Shashti Vibhakti or Saptami Vibhakti, you should not touch it. Leave as it is. Look what is in Prathama Vibhakti, change it into Tritiya Vibhakti. Look what is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, change it into Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti Anusrutya Karmani, that Rupam, Patyate or Patyate or Patyante, you change it. That's all. Is it okay? Next. Continue, sir. Sir, you are in mute.
Yeah. So, Karmani Prayoga, Prayogasya Niyamaha. Kartrupadam is always in Tritiya Vibhakti, Karma Padam is Prathama Vibhakti, Tatha Kriya Padam also is in Prathama Vibhakti.
Karma Pada Anusrutya, maybe Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam, whatever you call it. Now coming to
Vachanam and Purusha.
So
Atmane Pada Rupam Dhatuhu plus Ya plus Te.
That's all. Okay. Now we are going into Anya Padani, whichever another Vibhakti, you don't touch it in the sentence. Leave as it is. That's all.
Karma Kriya Sambandha Padayoho Sambandha Chatrena Shlokaha Patyate.
Here Patyate came because of Shlokaha, which is in the, what is the Purusha in this one? Prathama Purusha, Shlokaha, Ramaha, Prathama Purushaha, Ekavachanam. Ataha Patyata. If I say Shlokaha, what you will be writing?
Chatrena. So it is Shlokaha will be 1 minute 3-1-1 no. So it will be in the Prathama Vibhakti only.
Bahuvachanam.
Shlokaha.
So Patyante. Shlokaha singular, Patyate.
Correct.
Shlokaha plural, so Patyante. If it is Shlokaha, Slokau, if he is reading 2 slokas, Slokau.
Patyate.
Very good. This is very important. Slokau Patyate, Slokaha Patyante. Similarly, Balakena. Read out, no? Balakena
Saha Drishyate.
Artham, you understanding, no?
Yeah, so
he was seen by the boy.
Saha, he is seen by that boy.
So Balakena. Now Saha, you change it to plural, Dvivachanam. Saha.
Okay. Saha, Sahate Taha. So Balakena. Sahate Taha.
Saha Taute.
sorry, saha tau te, so balakena tau drishyante. Drishyate.
Now te
saha tau te balakena te drishyante.
So you remember this balakena or chatrana has no influence on you. You are only looking at the karma padam, tasya purusham, but whether it is a prathama, that one you are looking at it, and then you are looking at a vachanam. That's all. This is very important. Now saha you told. Now come to tvam.
Madhyam purusha.
Ekavachanam. Okay. So vandase, you know, vandiyase is the karmani rupam. So drishyase. Okay, second madhyam purusha rupam now we are learning. So tvam drishyase. Balakena tvam drishyase. In the place of tvam, if aham is there, uttama purusha ekavachana aham, that I was seen by the boy. So what is the normal rupam? Vandate, then second vandase, last three one vande, vandavaha,
vandamaha.
So aham, after aham what will come? Drishdasu. Vande is not there here. Drish is there.
Drish is there, no? So drish becomes
drish plus vande plus ye. Vande. Okay. Vande
drishya.
Drishye.
Because ya plus
yeah. So these things you have to thorough, because whatever whether it is prathama purusha rupam or uttama purusha rupam or madhya, that equivalent you write down. I told you, that's why first immediately write down the atmanepati rupam in the normal way, latlakara rupam. Then tasya kartari rupam you write it. This is simply putting yakaram in between. Vandu plus ya you put it. Then in that place choose whatever is there. Here aham they have given. So aham means vande will become vandiye. So here you put drishye. That's all. Okay. Instead of aham, in place here dasya dvivachanam is there. What is dvivachanam of aham?
aham becomes
avam. Then third is vayam. Okay.
Vayam, correct.
We were seen by the boy. We
means bahuvachanam. Correct, no? So balakena vayam drishyante.
Okay, here you are using vayam. Okay. Vayam.
So
vande dhatu you tell. What is atmanepadi uttama purusha rupam?
Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe.
So vandavahe. So vand plus yavahe. Here drishyavahe. Drishyamahe. So simply in the place of vand substitute drish. Unless you are thorough with all the atmanepadi, normal rupam and karmani rupam, this is difficult to convert. This is a very important concept. So again and again go through this point. Okay. Now this is please read it. There is no other way. We will quick. I am willing to spend time on this. Then we will go further. Now Umaji, can you read Pattu Dhatu and its karmani rupam?
Kartari pathati pathatah pathanti pathasi pathatah pathata pathami pathavah pathamah karmani pathyate pathyethe pathyante pathyase pathyethe pathyadve patye pathyavahe pathyamahe.
Okay.
Vanda dhatu.
Wait, madam. Use Ramaha and then use this karmani rupam and all the 9 you tell me.
Okay. Ramena patham pathyate. Patham
will it come, madam?
Sorry?
Ramena Pataha.
रामेण पाठः पठ्यते रामाभ्यां पाठः पठ्यते रामैः
You want to keep only Pataha, right? Okay.
Okay.
That can also change, no? Okay.
रामाभ्यां पाठः पठ्यन्ते
Ramabhyam, no. Ramaihi.
रामै no.
Wanted to change it, no? But
रामेण
here,
रामाभ्यां
here, patyate will change only if the karma padam changes in the Vachanam. Whether you keep Ramaha alone, you keep Ramaha only. Don't change Ramaha, okay? Karma padam only you change, then only you can apply patyate, okay? Ramaha patham
पठ्यते
patham means
रामः पाठौ पठ्यते रामः sorry it will be रामेण पाठः पठ्यते रामेण पाठौ पठ्यते रामेण पाठाः पठ्यन्ते.
Very good.
Then
Patyase.
पठ्यसे
त्वं
पाठः पठ्यसे. Then you
don't change tvam. No, don't change tvam.
Okay, tvam pathau pathyete. Tvam no, it will be
Pataha.
Tvam pathaha pathyante.
Patyadve.
No, sorry, pathyadve. Then
aham
pathaha pathye. Avam
aham only you keep.
aham pathau pathyavahe. No, it will
Patau, correct.
Pathau. Then aham patha. It would be aham, no?
Aham will change into what? You have to change aham into Tritiya Bhakti.
Yeah, so it will be
Maya, you have to change everywhere.
Okay, sorry.
Aham patami will become aham patam patami will become Maya
Patha patye. Avam. No, not avam. It will be
Maya eva.
Maya.
Patau.
Maya pathau pathyavahe. Maya pathaha pathyamahe.
Patyamahe. See here you remember, once when you look at Karmani, only the Karma Padam will go into numbers, Vachanam. Because Kartari has gone into Tritiya Bhakti, it will never influence this one. Now I request, sir, Amrita, can you change if I give a challenge now? No problem?
I will try.
Right, okay. Now use Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, but only Patam, okay? Ramaha, Patam, Patati. Now you are going to change, the Patam remains Patam Eva.
Okay, so then it will be Kartari Prayoga.
No, Karmani you change it. Ramaha, Patam, Patati. Change it.
Okay. Ramena Pathaha Pathyate.
Ramau.
Ramabhyam Pathaha Pathyate.
No. Pataha remains same, no?
Oh, correk.
This is where the challenge is. Our mind will go back to the original Kartari Rupam. So, whatever it is, Ek Ramaha or Ramau or Ramaha in Karmani, they will always follow the Karmani Rupam only. The Karma Padam is singular only. All the Ramaha single Padam only they are reading. Or two Ramas are reading only the single Padam. When you say, the Patyate will never change. Pataha patyate, patya. Whether it is Ramaha will become Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi, doesn't matter at all. Tritiya Vila, whatever is there, you should not look at it at all. Look at what is the Karma Padam. I told Patam only. So Patam means Pataha. If it is Pataha, except patyate, nothing else can come. Okay, yeah?
Yes.
This is very important. Now we will go to Tvam. Okay, Tvam Patati. Patasi.
Tvam will become
Tritiya vibhakti?
Tvaya.
Tvaya.
Tvaya pathah pathyase.
Why patyase? Pataha is what?
Patyate.
Patyate. Tvaya, you forget it,
Tvaya.
leave it. What is sitting there? Only pataha. So patyate.
Tvaya
Slightly
pathah
challenging, but
patyate.
if you practice, it will be very easy.
Yes. I think the challenge is to shift our
Associate
mind.
that mind of Kartarila, we always look at the Ramaha, Ramaha. Our mind always says go with the Bhagavachanam if it is Ramo. But here it is not Ramaha decides, it is only the Karma Padam decides. So if I say, you may ask me one question, then it will remain Patyate only always, or Patyate, depending upon Patam or Pataha or Pataha or Patav, right? When it will go into Dvitiya, or when it will go into Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha, 99% Madhyama Uttama Purusha, nothing will go. Remember that. Okay? Because to go into Madhyama Purusha, the Karma Padam should be in that Rupam. Okay? So, Ramaha, Aham, Hisami. Ramaha, Rama, Sami, you want to tell. Okay? How will you tell in Kartari Rupam? Rama, Sami.
Ramah mam drishtavan.
Drishtavan, don't go into it. Put on Rupa, Lakara Rupa.
Ramah mam pashyati.
Ramaha Mam Pashyati. Ramaha Pratma Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mama Dudya Vibhakti Pashyati. Now this write down. Don't confuse. Write down this sentence. Now only change. I want Ramaha only should remain. You go into the Madhyama Purusha Rupam.
Just 1 minute. I'm writing it.
Yeah, unless you write, it cannot come. I'm telling you, all take the pencil, take the rough note, write down. That's the reason for conducting class. No, neither this thing available, PPT.
So, Ramaha will stay Ramaha.
No, why? Ramaha will become Ramena. That's the main rule.
Ramena, Aham.
Aham will become, Aham is in the, which, this one. It should be.
Prathama.
So you said mom has become Aham. Very good.
Yeah.
Then.
And Pashyati will become Aham Drishyate.
Drishyase. Aham has come, no?
No, Aham Drishye.
Drishye. Sorry, Drishye.
Aham Drishye.
Drishye. Patiye will become Drishye.
Ramena
Use the Aham.
Yeah.
You understand the point? So mom has become rightly Aham. If it is Aham, Karmani, this Kriya Padam is always Atmanepati Rupam. So Patiye, Aham Patiye, Ramena Aham. But when you try to convert it to English, it will look like mental. It is very difficult to convert it to English. Karmani Rupam of Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. It will look very funny. But you know in your mind what you are doing. So, Ramaha, Mam, what you said, Pashyati. So Ramaha Pashyati, 1. Mam, 2. So Ramaha, Ramena, Pashyati. It has to change as per the Karma Padam. So what is the Karma Padam here? Mam. What is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanama? Mam, Aham. So Ramena, Aham. Now Aham has come. Go to the Atmanirpati Rupam of Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Aham Drishye. So Pati. Patiye is there. Here you have to put Drishye. Is it clear, madam?
Yes.
This is the way, this particular thing you have to practice. Next week, I will be asking only these questions again and again. And by the way, let me decide now itself. Next week is New Year, Christmas and all that. Do you all need any holiday or can we continue this 1 hour class? Because I have no problem. But if you all want to have holiday, you can have. I have no issue.
I can come.
I have no holiday. I can come, madam.
I can't come next week.
Okay, madam. Okay, Uma. See, Amrita and Sari is coming means I can take a 1 hour class. I have no issues.
Yes,
1 hour class, whatever we have done, I can even go through it again, Uma. I may not take a new subject, but we will go through what we have done. And
no
today
problem. I'll see the video. No, not an issue.
Okay. If it is possible, I will take Ikta Pratyaya and Tavatu also. Okay. I will go to the Kridanta Rupam. Next, Vandate, some can, sir.
Yeah,
This,
yeah, ma'am.
to look at the Karmani
Yeah.
Rupam of Vandadatu. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Use Ramaha and tell me.
okay. So
Ramaha.
Ramaha becomes Ramena. Ramena. I'll use Patam only.
No,
Pata only.
Vandadatu itself you use.
Oh, sorry. So Vand means Namaskaram, no? I will use.
You need a Karmani Karma Padam.
I need the Karma Padam.
Ramaha Shivam.
Shivam. Okay, okay. So Ramena. Ramena Shivaha Vandate. Vandate.
Shivaha.
Shivaha I said.
Vandyate.
Ramena Shivaha Vandyate.
Very good. Vandyate. Very good. Change
Now,
it to plural form. Sorry. Vandyate. What should come? Ramaha remains Ramaha only.
Yeah, so Dvivachan. Ramena Shivau Vandete.
Very good. Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Ramena Shivaha Vandhante.
Very good. Vandyase. What should be come?
Okay.
Ramena, you keep it.
Ramena. So it will be Vandase. So Madhyama Purush, no?
What is the
Tvam. Wait. So the Ramena Tvam Vandyase. Here Tvam is Shivam. Here Tvam is Shiva.
No, Tvam is you here. Shivam cannot be, somebody before you. Maybe Shiva is standing before you.
Okay.
You are worshipped by Rama now. You cannot change it. Tvam could be anybody, but since you want to talk, Shiva was in the Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Now Tvam we have to do. Okay. So Ramena Tvam Vandyase.
Tvam Vandyase. Ramena Tvam.
What is the Dvivachanam? Tvam?
Dvivachan of Tvam is
Asma Sabdam. Go through the Asma Sabdam. I thought it is very difficult. What is the Asma Sabdam? What is Aham?
Aham is
Avam Vayam.
Purush.
Aham Avam Vayam. This Tvam is Ushma Sabdam. Okay.
So Vayam.
No. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam.
Yuvam.
Aham Avam Vayam. That is for Asmad. Ushmad alla Yulavar. So Tvam Yuvam
Vandese.
Correct.
Vandethe. Sorry. Vandethe.
Now again Ramena.
Ramena Yuvam Vandethe. And then Ramena Vayam. Uyam. Sorry. Uyam. Uyam Vandadve.
Uyam
Vandadve.
Now I want
coming to Uttam Purusha.
I want to use Ramena and Vande.
Ramena Maya Vande.
Yeah. Madam, sir, it should be in the Prathama Purusha.
Okay, yeah, Prathama Purusha. Aham Vande. Ramena Aham Vande. Vande.
Vande is normal. Vande. Look at the spelling.
Vande.
Again
Ramena Aham Vande. Ramena Vayam Vandyavahe.
No. Ramena. What is the Dudya Vachanam? Aham Avam Vayam.
Avam. Oh my God.
So
Ramena Avam Vandyavahe. Ramena Vayam Vandyamahe.
That's all. But this Vayam and this will never come. Only Prathama Purusha generally comes because nobody tells in this fashion. But keep it in mind. If it comes also, you should be able to substitute properly.
Ma'am,
That's
isn't it Asman?
what is Asman? That is Bahuvachanam.
Tasmat.
For
Dvidiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
it is Prathama only, correct. Sorry.
Yeah.
Miss, I have one question.
Yes, madam.
For Drishyate, Drishyate is your normal Atmanepadi Rupam. No? So how will it in Karmani Rupam also it will be Drishye only?
Usually in the normal Latlakar Rupam we never use Drishyate. The dhatu changes. Pashyati. Okay. There is no dhatu called Pash dhatu. Dhatu Rupam is Drishya eva.
Okay.
But when you use a thing pratyayam, patati, patata, patati, that is titaha, anti, sitahata, mi, vaha, maha, that when you are using, drish dhatu will take the rupam of pash. Okay. For example, sta dhatu, you know. Okay. Sta means standing. That is a dhatu, original rupam. But you don't say ramaha stati like that, you don't say. You will say tishtati. It undergoes some angakaryam, we call it. Angakaryam means that first portion will go into a change. There is a sutram why it goes into a change. So all those things you will learn as you go further. But here the drishya dhatu is not used in the parasmepadi. It is only pash dhatu is used, pashyati. Like that only we are using.
No. My question is,
Yes,
it is not used in Parasmaipadi.
yeah.
But Atmanepadi, when you are saying it, so like in this table, there is a difference between Vande and Vandye.
Yes.
So, like that, there should be a difference between Drishye and whatever we use for
Whenever
Karmani.
yakaram is there, you cannot put one more yakaram. That is the rule.
Oh, okay.
So when that one yakaram is already there, it will continue as it is. Mainly, if you look at this, madam, this 10th Gana, the other day we were discussing about some Ganas. What are the 10 Ganas? Why they were separated into 10 Ganas? How they are separated? We call it something as a Vikarana Pratyaya, then Akyada Pratyaya. Akyada Pratyaya is nothing but a Ting Pratyayam, Tita Kanti. There is something called Vikrana Pratyaya. For example, Bhuvadayaha. Bhu is the first name, first Ganam. So Bhuvadayaha we call it. There is one Sapratyam comes, Akaram. So Patu plus A plus T, Patati. Like that we have studied. How the Rupam came is, you will learn it in as you go further only. It is not necessary at this point.
Okay.
But when we talk about it, there is one Ganam called 10th Ganam. But its Rupam is, for example, Chur. The 10th Ganam's name is Churdatu. So Churadiyaha we call it. Churadiyaha means starting from Chur, some 600 dhatus are there. This Churdatu takes the form Chorayati. Already one Ya will be there always.
Yeah.
So Chorayati, Atmani Padimna Chorayate, that's all. Chorayati, it is a Parasmepadi dhatu. If you want to write it, because you want to call it as a Karmani Rupam, already Ya is there. It is as per the original Rupam itself, the dhatu will take a Yakaram only, Chorayati. So Chorayate, only the Te will take the Rupam and it will show you are using a, for example, Choraha, Chorayati, you want to say, you will change it, Choraha will become Chorena. Chorayate. That's all. Yeah, you cannot put Chorayate like that. It's not allowed. One yakaram is already there. That's all. That you have to change it into Atmani by puttam. T becomes Te. That's all.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. And then this is the Lang Lapara Rupam. Now please use the Lang Lakara Rupam and tell me. Take Ramaha Apatat. Can you try, Amrita?
Okay, I will try. So
Ramaha Patam only you keep for the time being.
Ramena Pathaha Apathyat. Ramena Pathau Apatyetam. Ramena Pathaha Apathyanta.
Now Rama only change. Patam is same.
Tvam.
The first line only.
Oh.
Rama change into.
So Rama changes into what?
Singular, Dvi and Bahu. Patam remains the same.
Oh. Ramaha रामेण पाठः अपठ्यत
अपठ्यत अपठ्यत
अपठ्यत रामाभ्यां पाठः अपठ्यत रामैः पाठः अपठ्यत.
You see, understand? When the original Kartrupadam goes any changes, as long as the Karma Padam doesn't change, the Kriya Padam will remain identical. It will never change.
Yeah.
This remember, you have to remember this. Whereas Ramaha remains constant, but Kriya Padam changes from Pratham, whatever, all the 9 it can undergo, isn't it?
Yeah.
It can undergo the Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana, or Uttama Purusha, like that, it can undergo anything. But you have to change it. Now, so it will not be Langalakara Mandal, they don't ask in Uttama and Madhyama Purusha, but if they ask, you should be able to change it. For example, Apataha, when it will come, can you make one sentence using Ramaha? Ramaha.
Which word you wanted me to
Kartari
change?
Rupam, Madhyama Purusha. Ramaha cannot come. So what can come?
Tvam.
Apataha I want.
Tvam pataha apataha.
Tvam you used, right?
Yes.
Tvam pataha apataha. Now convert into Kartari Rupam. Tvam will become?
Tvam will become Tvaya. Tvaya pataha apathyat.
Apathyata. Pataha apatyata.
Apathyata. Sorry. Apathyata. Tvam pataha apathyata.
Tvam you said, did not say Tvaya you said, no?
Tvaya pataha apathyata.
थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है because and generally I have never attempted this Madhyama Uttama Purusha at Parichaya level. Later on we have to attempt, that is that. But you try it, it is not very difficult. Keep the mind very clear. So Apataha is only to Tvam. Tvam is always, it will become Tvaya. So Apataha, Patam is there, Apataha came. So Pataha means Apatyataha. So Pataha remains identical. Apatyataha alone will be there. Whatever happens to that Tvaya or Tvabhyam or Tvabhihi, whatever happens, this will remain the same. Because Karma Padam is identical. So Apatyataha will never change. This is what you have to remember. Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Similarly, last one is that is Atmanepadiryam, Avandata, Avandyata. Okay, that we will leave it. Kartari Rupam. Now, what is the first one? Can somebody read, sir? Patet, Patetam, Pateyuhu. What is that? Which Rupam it is? Patet, Patetam, Pateyuhu.
Yeah, so Kartari. Patet, Patetam,
this is known as Vidiling. Have you studied Vidiling or not?
No, ma'am. No.
This is there in this Parichaya, you have Vidiling. Okay?
Yes, we have, yes.
So, you have to remember this Rupam. Patet, Patetam, Pateyuhu. Patehe, Patetam, Pateta. Pateyam, Pateva, Patema. Okay? This you
what does it indicate, madam? Vidilinga means for understanding.
Vidhi means rule. Vidhi stands for rule. So generally Vidilinga. See, examination is coming. So what I will tell you, I cannot say Mahodaya, Padatu, I won't say. Padatu means let it be studied by you. Okay, that is Lot Lakaram. Padatu means Lot Lakaram. Mahodaya Padati, you are studying, that is also I won't say. I want to tell you better read. How do I tell it? Mahodaya Patet. You have to study.
A bit of an order. It's a bit of an order.
90% order. 90%. But in Sanskrit, Lot and Vidilinga are generally interrelated. Only when they are asked you to translate it to English, there will be some change. Okay. When I say Mahodaya Padatu, how will you convert it to English?
Please read, gentlemen.
Let it be read. Let it be read by you.
Let it be read by you.
Let is the word you use for that. Whereas I say Mahodaya Patet. it will become Mahodaya must read.
It better be
Then
read by
it will
you.
actually, this lot lakara and vidiling lakaram, what comes to your mind? Which column it is? Past tense, present tense, future tense?
It is present only, no?
No, it has no tense at all. Remember, they are all bhava.
Okay.
They are all bhava. Only in Sanskrit, this special type of verbs are available.
Okay.
Okay. So this patet can be used in the past tense also. It can be used in the future tense also. Okay. You may ask, if he would have studied, he would have passed. I would like to put it like that. So the patet will go into the past tense also. Okay. So these things are available, but don't worry. If I use patet, immediately go to the karmani rupam of first atmani rupam of the vidilingi you should know. Niche you can say vandeta, vande yatam, vande ran, vande thaha, vande yatham, vande dhvam, vande ya, vande vahi, vande mahi. There is no shortcut unless you mug it up. That's all. Okay, because these are the rupam given by Panini. How this rupam is arrived at, you will learn when you learn Siddhanta Kaumati. That is not necessary now. Now, this is when you want to use a commanding language, you want to tell somebody, you better do it. Guruhu chatraha vadati. What he will do? Tum patehe. You better learn. Patehe. Otherwise, Ramaha patet. Rama, you must read. Otherwise, we all must study, no, Vayam Pateyam. To pass the exam, Vayam Pateyam. Like that, you have to use this. So, mug up all this Ling Lakara Rupam. If I can give you a lot of exercise in Ling Lakaram, but this is all. You have to mug it up. There is nothing you can do about it. Then, how to convert it into? Take the Atmanipadi Rupam, put a yakaram in between, vandu plus vandeta, it will become vandu yeta. Vande yatam will become vandu ye yatam. Vande ran, vandu ye ran. Yakaram you put in between in the Atmanipadi Rupam. Then simply substitute in the place of vandu the Parasmapadi Dhatu. Pattu means vandu yeta will become pattu yeta. Vande yetam, vande ye yatam will become patye yatam. Vande ran will become pat ye ran. Simply put this one. This is the only way we can learn. Okay. Now I will stop this particular thing. Something called Bhave Pravayam. 1 minute. I'll stop there. How do I bring it here? I want to stop it. It is not moving only. Sharing, I wanted to stop. Why this thing is not moving? I can't see it only.
Should I read it, madam? Should I read it
No,
for
not
you?
this one. No. I don't want to go into it. I want to stop the sharing and share something else. So how do I go about this? I don't know.
Escape or something like that?
Escape is not. Escaped. Thank you. Maybe something happens here. How to escape is a major issue. Okay, now I have to go to.
Allah, stop sharing Keynote. You can press the white button.
Stop, sir. Thank God. Now I have come. Really, sometimes
I'm equally bad, madam.
No. Actually, I am good in teaching Sanskrit because I have done a higher level. That's all. But the point is this technology, thoda,
gadgets is.
I don't know how to come out. That's problem is there. It
Yeah,
is like that. What is this? Arjuna's son. He went inside the Yugam, but he doesn't know how to come out. I am. That's the problem. Yeah. Now come to Bhave Prayaha. See, in Bhave Prayogam, this is very, very important concept. There is no karma padam at all. Okay? So, for example, when you have studied about Sakarmaka Dhatu, Akarmaka Dhatu, sometime back I remember I told you. A Dhatu which can take a Karma Padam is known as Sakarmaka Dhatu. Ramaha Patam Patati. So, Patam is there, Patati is there. So, Pattu Dhatu can take a Karma Padam. Whereas Ramaha Hasati, if I say, Has Dhatu, Rama laughed. What can be the karma padam there? Nothing. Rama, if you ask the question, come or can, whatever, the second Dudya Bhakti, karma pada questions, if you ask, there will be no answer. Okay. So, in Tamil we say, no, whom he laughed, that's all. So, these are all dhatus. I told you in Atmanepati, why the Atmanepati dhatus came itself is something which is done for Swayam. For myself I do. Hasati is for me. There is no karma padam. There is nobody else who is going to be involved. Ramaha hasati. Similarly, Ramaha dhavati. Indav dhatu is akarmaka dhatu because they don't have any karma padam. Kam dhatu, kam dhavati, like that questions, kim dhavati, like that questions I cannot ask at all. It looks so funny. So there are some akarmaka dhatu, and when you are using, that is known as bhave prayoga. So now I am giving the question, Ramaha patati. Sorry, Ramaha hasati. Akarmaka dhatu I am giving. Ramaha hasati. Convert into Karmani Rupam. Ramaha hasati. Anybody can attempt.
Ramaha hasati. That should be
Ramana.
converted into Karmani, right?
Bhave Rupam, but what is the difference I am going to tell? Karmani Rupam and Bhave Rupam are identical only. Only some slight change is there. Ramaha hasati. Convert it.
Okay. Ramena has dhatu yati. Allah, yate.
Ramaha hasya. Very good.
Ramena hasyate.
Ramena hasyate. Now, is there any karma padam there? Nothing is there.
No.
Patam hasyate, alladhu something sitam hasyate, aisa kuch bhi nahi hai. There cannot be. Because it is a akarmaka dhatu, karma padam nasti. So, when there is no karma padam, why did you put hasyate? I told you, karma padam decides the verb, no?
Correct.
But you stood correct. What you said is correct, hasyate. But why did you choose hasyate? Hasyate is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
That's because Kartari was hasati. That is why I put hasyate.
No, Kartari is hasati. Because Ramaha is singular, I put hasati.
Hasati.
Now Rama, what I will do? Hasyataha I will put.
Hasyataha.
Ramaha hasanti. Now convert. Ramaha hasanti. Now convert.
Okay. Ramaihi hasyante.
No, there is no karma padam there. Karma padam only will decide hasyate.
Correct.
But karma padam nasti. So, Ramehi also hasyate. Because there is no karma padam alone decides the verb.
So the default is
Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Very good. The
Prathama
default is always because there is no karma padam. So Panini has told, since there is no karma padam, don't struggle. Simply put Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. That's all.
Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Always for everything. If I tell Chatraha Davanti.
So Chatrena.
Chatraha.
Karmani, no? Karmani. I am saying Karmani.
Correct. Chatraha convert. It is not Chatrena.
Acha, Bahuvachan, no? Okay. Chatraihi. What was the karma kartu pada, madam?
Dhavanti,
no? So it is dhav dhatu. So it will be Prathama Purusha Ekavachana will be dhavyate.
Yate. So whether Chatraha or Chatraha or whatever I tell, the Rupam will never change because there is no karma padam. Always Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. This only you remember. Okay?
Fantastic.
That's all about Bhave Prayogam. There is nothing you have to think about it. So now I will ask some questions. Actually, I am supposed to take Ikta Pratyayam. Okay, I will take it next week. I will give you the Dhatu Rupam. You tell me what will give. Pa Dhatu. Pa Dhatu stands for in the normal Kartari Rupam means Ramaha Pibati. Pa Dhatu means Pibati.
Pibati.
If is Pa Dhatu, Pa plus A plus T, Pibati, it changes the Rupam. Okay?
Correct.
So, what is the Karmani Rupam of Ramaha Pibati?
Pibati. Ramaha Karmani Pibati will be Ramena Pibati nahi.
Pibati, what I told you, Dhatu Rupam, Pa Dhatu.
Pa Dhatu. Pasyate,
Payate nahi. Wherever
Pasyate.
Akaranta Dhatus are, it is Akaranta Dhatu. Pa. It plus Pa. It will take Ikaranta Rupam. So, write down. Piyate. So, Ramena Piyate.
Yes, last time you mentioned.
Yeah, I mentioned. So, Akaranta Dhatus will take Ikaranta Rupam. Okay, Ji Dhatu. Ramaha Jayati. Rama won. Rama wins. Ramaha Jayati. Maji?
Ramena Jiyate.
Yeah. Hrasva. Ji Dhatu, Hrasva Ikaram will become Dirgha Ikaram. Ramena Jiyate. So, Akaram also will become Ikaram. Ikaram will also become Ikaram. Okay. Sta Dhatu, Tishtati. Ramaha Tishtati. Sta. Dhatu Rupam is sta.
Is it
Ramena Sthiyate.
This Stiyate. Stiyate. Sta will become Stiyate. Very good. Okay. Nya Dhatu. This is Kontatoda difficult fellow. Nya Dhatu. It is actually Samyukta Aksharam. Ja plus Nya. Dono together is Nya. So Nya Dhatu. Ramaha Janati. Ramena Dhatu Rupam Nya. I told you.
Ramena Jiyate?
No, I told you Nya Dhatu. Not
Ja.
Ja. It is a Samyukta.
Okay, it will become Jnayate only?
Nyayate only. It will not become Niyate. Because Nya when you Akaram, you don't put Ikaram. This is an exception. This is very important. Then Karoti. Ramaha Karoti. Something he is Karoti.
Ramena
Dhatu Rupam
Kr. Kriyate.
Kriyate, not Kriyate. Kriyate. Hrasva.
Kriyate. Rasva.
Kri will become Kriyate. These things you have to remember. They are something different. So I wanted to inform you. These different you remember. Okay. Ma Dhatu. Dha Dhatu. Ramaha Dadati. Dha. Ramaha Dadati. Uma?
Diyate.
Correct. Ramena Diyate. Very good. Thoda doubt ho gaya. Okay. So Rikaranta Dhatu, it will become Kriyate. So wherever you find a Rikaram, Smru Dhatu, Smarati, Ramaka Smarati. Smarati you remember, no? Remembered. Smru Dhatu. So it will become Smaryate. It's slightly different. Okay. So, Jag, at that day I told you Jagarti. One Dhatu is there, no? Jagarti. So Jagarti, it will become Jagarti will become Jagaryate. Remember, it will not become Jagriyate, it will become Jagaryate. Some special dhatus, one or two only remember. In your Parichaya, they may not ask very difficult things. But anyway, we will learn. Whether you write the exam or not, learning is very important. Okay. Now, one small question, 824 ho gaya. Can somebody tell you Matra Sabdam? Please recite. Madam Amrita, can you tell me Matra Sabdam? Matra. Rikaranta Srilinga Rupam.
Mata. So I learn my tables vertically. So first I will start.
No problem. Even I do sometimes like that.
Mata, Mataram, Matra, Matre, Matuhu, Matari.
Matari. Okay.
Then,
द्विवचन
मातरौ मातृभ्यां 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 मात्रोः and हे मातरौ then मातरः
हे प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम संबोधन प्रथमा इज हे
मातः
नो हे मातुः
okay
मातव
Matarah.
no I am talking about sambodhana मातुः visargam will come matah va I had a doubt just a second I'll check it because visargam
I have the book in front of me. It says matah.
correct hey matah not matu matah visargam will come specially that's the one
Sambodhana is Mata, no madam. Hey Mata.
Mata is there in the Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. In Sambodhana, wherever this Rikaranta Sabdams are there, you will get a Visargam.
Okay.
Hey, Mata will become Mata. Hrasvam hota hai. Saraswati will become Saraswati. Gauri will become Gauri. That you know. But here, hey, Mata will become, but down Visargam will come. That's the extra rule. Okay, madam. Bahuvachanam.
मातरः मातृः
Matruh.
मातृभिः मातृभ्यः मातृभ्यः मातॄणां मातृषु
Okay, madam.
and हे मातरः
Okay. This is slightly the Matru, Pitre, Datra, all are Rikaranta Sabdam. Once you know any one, it will be easy for you to remember other things. Then go, that is Goho Sabdam. Go Sabdam, can somebody tell me? Even see the book and tell me. Umaji, that is also very important. In many areas, they will ask the question. Go Sabdam. Anybody who knows who has the book with you, you can tell me. Gauhu, Gavau, Gavaha. Remember? Amrita, can you tell?
I'm trying. I don't know it without seeing. I'm trying.
Yeah. But please learn this. This is a tricky one. Go Shabdam. It is both Pullinga and Strilinga Rupam, same only, because you can use it in both the ways. So Go Shabdam comes like this. Gauhu, Gavo, Gavaha. Gham, Gavo, Gaha. Gava, Gobhyam, Gobihi. Gave, Gobhyam, Gobhyaha. Goho, Gobhyam, Gobhyaha. Goho, Gavoho, Gavam. Gavi, Gavoho, Goshu. So, if I say, you try to form sentences and trying to remember, okay? If I want to tell there is a cow, how will you put it? There is a cow. Prathamavati Ekavachanam means Gauhu. There is a cow. Tell me, how do you translate it? Gauhu asti. Okay, Go Sabdati Prathamavati Ekavachanam means Gauhu. So there is a cow, if I want to tell this, Gauhu asti. There are two cows there, Gavau staha. There are a lot of cows there, Gavaha santi. Like that, you try to put one verb and try to form the sentence. This Rupam you may not forget. Usually, that is what my teacher told me. I am also trying that way. Okay, madam? So, this next week homework is you have to learn this Gaus, all the 4 lakaras, both Parasmipati, Atmanepati, in Karmani Rupam. Okay, Bhave Rupam, only one Rupam. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Rupam Eva Asti Bhave Prayoga, so that is very easy. And Shabda Rupam, all these 4 Shabdas, you form a word like Ramaga, something you keep, Tvam, Aham, whatever you want to keep it and tell that with the Rupam. For example, if I tell you, tell me the Vidilinga Rupama Parasmepati, you should say Ramaha Patet, Ramavu Patetam, Ramaha Pateyuhu. Like that, try to form the sentence and tell me. That is the only request. So we will meet next week the same time. Whoever can come, please do come. Umaji says she cannot come. Okay, madam, take it easy. I
will come, madam.
Okay, sir, please do come. Okay, shall we call it a day? Sir, can you kindly tell the...
Sure. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरे ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरे ओम नमः शिवाय। सर्वं
धन्यवादः महोदय, धन्यवादः।
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 धन्यवाद।